Hi guys! Our lesson for today is all about Vieta's formula. This is the formula used to find the sum and product of the roots of a polynomial, and we will focus on quadratic equation. Kung gusto mong matutunan, just keep on watching. Ayan, sabi ko nga, in this video we will focus on quadratic equation using the Vieta's formula. So our goals for today is to find the sum of the roots and to find the product of the roots. Any kinds of roots, even if kung ano siya, kung imaginary or real numbers. So, let's start! First, dapat alam natin yung general equation ng quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are any numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Siyempre, ang isang identity ng or pagkakakilanlan ng quadratic equation, dapat merong x squared. So, pag naging 0 yung a, wala nang x squared. So, magiging linear na lang siya, hindi na siya quadratic equation. So, now, proceed tayo sa gagamitin nating Vieta's formula. This is the formula. The sum of the roots is equal to negative b over a, and the product of the roots is equal to c over a. Yang b and a and c is hetong tatlo. So, give tayo ng examples para malinawan tayo. So, heto, example number 1. So, what is the sum of the roots and product of the roots? Using Vieta's formula, we have sum is equal to negative b over a. So, negative, ang b dito is heto, kasi yun yung katabi ng x. So, 8 and a is, pag wala tayong nakikita, palagi yan na 1. So, pag dinivide mo sila, ang answer is negative 8. So, the sum of the roots is negative 8. Punta naman tayo sa product. Product of the roots is equal to c over a. c is 15 and a is 1. So, we have 15 as the product of the roots. So, ngayon, paano ba natin ma-check kung tama talaga yung sagot natin? Tandaan natin yan, negative 8 ang sum and 15 ang product. Lagay natin dito, sum is equal to negative 8, product is equal to 15. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, kung di natin alam yung Vieta's formula, is kukunin natin yung roots nito. So, it is factorable, di ba? Di magiging x plus 3, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, equate natin 0, both. Then, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So, we have negative 3 and negative 5. So, the sum of the roots is, i-add mo lang yung dalawa. So, negative 3 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 8. Oh, tama. Tama siya. Then, the product is, multiply mo lang itong dalawang roots. Negative 3, negative 5. So, we have positive 15. Oh, same sila ng sagot nito. So, kung alam mo na yung Vieta's formula, hindi ka na magmamano-mano. So, mga ilang seconds lang nga, titingnan mo lang yung negative b over a, c over a, tapos ang buhay. Let's have another example. So, eto, medyo hindi siya madaling i-factor, di ba? So, paano ba yan? Use Vieta's formula to find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So, sum is equal to negative b over a. Negative, ang b natin is heto, kasama yung sign. Negative 14, and a is 3. So, ayan. Negative times negative, so positive 14 over 3. So, this is the sum of the roots. Punta naman tayo sa product of the roots. We have c over a C is heto, kasama yung sign, negative 5, and A is 3. So, the product of the roots is equal to negative 5 over 3. So, check ulit natin. Sulat ulit natin ito muna. Sum is 14 over 3. Product is negative 5 over 3. So, bura natin. O, ayan. Ulit. Ang gagawin natin ulit is imamano-mano natin i-factor. So, pag ako magpa-factor niyan, ng mabilisan is ganito. 3x and x equal to 0. So, we have minus 5 and plus 1. So, i-check nyo na lang. Tama yan. Now, get the roots by equating each. We have x equal to negative 1/3, x equal to 5. So, sum, add mo yung dalawa, plus 5. Yan. Then, get the LCD, negative 1. 3 times 5 is 15. So, we have 14 over 3, which is the same as the sum here. So, tama yung sum natin. Doon naman tayo sa product. Ito yung dalawang roots natin. Negative 1/3 times 5. We have negative 5 over 3. Which is the same din sa dito sa shortcut. So, ganyan lang po kadali. So, mas maganda pa rin yung alam natin yung Vieta's formula. Another example. So, yan. Wala yung B. Kasi walang x. So, paano ba natin mahanap? Same lang. Ang sum of the roots is negative b over a. Since walang b, 0 siya. And a is 4. So, any number na pag dinivide sa 0 yung numerator, always 0 ang sagot. So, we have 0 as sum. So, product, c over a. C is eto, kasama yung sign, negative 9 over 4. So, this is the product of the roots. Sulat natin dito, 0 and p is equal to negative 9 over 4. Ulit, check natin kung tama. Para maano kayo. So, ito, we can, for x squared, lipat natin yung 9, divide both side by 4. X squared is equal to 9/4. So, extract, we have x equal to positive or negative 3/2. So, ayan yung roots natin. Sulat natin dito. 3/2 and negative 3/2. So, ayan. So, now, that's the sum. Sum of the roots. 3/2 plus negative 3/2 is equal to 0. So, parehas. Tama. Doon naman tayo sa product. 3/2 times negative 3/2 is equal to negative 9 over 4. So, ayan. Tama. So, yan. Last example is yung involve yung imaginary roots. Kasi imaginary roots yung sagot na ito. So, sum ulit is negative b over a. Negative 8 over 1. Negative 8. And product is c over a. C is 20 and 1. So, we have 20. Sulat natin dito yung sum and product. So, ulit, i-check natin kung tama by mano-mano. So, get natin yung roots by quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. We have a. So, this b, so negative 8 plus or minus square root of, ang b is 8 squared, substitute lang, a is 1, c is 20, so 2 times 1, So we have x negative 8 plus or minus square root of 64 minus 4 times 20 is 80. 64 minus 80 is negative 16. Yan. So, and 2 times 1 is 2. So, ano natin? Simplify. Negative 8 plus or minus. Oh, this is 4i. And 2. Now, we can simplify this. We have divide 2i. So, the roots are negative 4 plus 2i and negative 4 minus 2i. So, kunin natin yung roots, ay yung sum and product nila. So, sum. Negative 4 plus 2i plus negative 4 minus 2i. So, from here, makakancel ito. We have ito na lang. So, we have negative 8. Which is the same as heto sa nagawa natin. Next, product naman nila. Negative 4 plus 2i. Negative 4 minus 2i. Napapansin natin na difference of 2 square. So, squared natin yung una, plus minus, squared natin yung pangalawa. Aralin nyo na lang yung difference of 2 square. Yan. So, simplify. We have 16. And eto, isa-isay natin. I is equal to the square root of negative 1. So we have 16. 2 square is 4. Then pag in-square mo to, mawawala. Then times negative 1. So we have 16 minus negative 4. We have 20. So the product is 20. Ayun. So having the knowledge of Vieta's formula, hindi ka na magmamano-mano na. Napakahaba, lalo kung imaginary. Tingnan mo, ilang minutes o mag-iisang minuto kanyan ka solve ng roots. Kaysa naman dun sa ano lang, yung Vieta's formula, andali. So, in the next video, we will tackle about another use of Vieta's formula, yung medyo higher topic. So, bye! Thank you sa panonood.